Receiving this award is really a big deal for me, not because of the attention that it gives to me, but what it represents for our area. I can remember in 1968 when I came back to Latrobe as an adult after serving in the Navy and having the opportunity to go around the community with the then chamber director, and in addition to visiting many, many different places in the community, the lasting impression I had that day was there was a sign behind his desk that said these simple words: there is no limit to what can be accomplished if you don't care who gets the credit. And to this day, that statement has rung repeatedly in my head. In fact, it had an impact on all that I have done over the years because, really, no one person ever does anything in particular. You have to have a number of individuals working with you. And, you think about the Latrobe area, and that includes just way beyond the limits of the city, but the region. We are blessed that we have what we have, and it's not because of one individual. It's because, for some reason, the culture in our area represents that which was behind Art Goldman's desk. There is no limit to what can be accomplished if you don't care who gets the credit.